Alright, y'all. So the second thing I did today while I had some time, my APU was making a squealing noise every time I turned it on. So I'm sure it was coming from this belt right here, and all I had to do was tighten the belt up. There's a tensioner right there. It's a tensioner right here, right? So give y'all some light. It's kind of hard to see. So there's a bolt right there. See that bolt right there? Just loosen that bolt up, and then the alternator is right there, right here. Take a crowbar or something, stick up in there. Show you. It's kind of hard to see, but you take a crowbar and you pry. It's a little lip right there. I guess that was put there so you can put tension on the belt. So anyway, you stick a crowbar like right in here, and you push down, and that'll put tension on this belt. So now this belt is nice and tight, because it was real loose before, and that's where the squealing noise was coming from. So just know that this is a Thermo King APU tri-pack. So just know that if your APU is squealing when you turn it on, it's coming from your belts. And check your belts, make sure it ain't got no cracks or rips in it, and it ain't shredding. And if the belt looks good, just tighten it up. All right. And there's another one right here, another belt right here, but this one turned out to be fine, so I ain't had to do anything to that one. Now this one right here, I don't think you could put tension on it. I think you just got to change it. So it's still good right now, so I'm gonna leave that one alone. But yeah, so your APU is squealing, that's where it's coming from, your belt. All right, that's all I got for now. I'm out. Peace.